My name is Wayne Boucher. I now live in sunny Florida. I served in the United States Army. While I was in the Army, I learned one thing, that you always have to be prepared and always have a backup. So I'm always trying to be prepared and prepare for any scenario that I deem necessary. I think I have enough backup power to power 2 or 3 houses if I needed to. So 6 years ago when EcoFlow launched their first device, it was called the River. Piqued my interest, I bought it, and I still have it until this day. I use it every day and it still works. Not one issue. Carry your laptop anywhere, you can use it anywhere, and having AC power at all times was fascinating. So for me, that was where my interest got piqued. The most important feature of the EcoFlow products is their reliability. I know every single time I pick it up, it works, never fails, always 100% when I need it. To be able to have power wherever I go, for me, is a game changer. Moving forward, I plan to continue to invest in the EcoFlow system and what they have to offer.